Hi, I'm Beatrice.
And I'm Emily.
And we're with the Tiger Media team. Don't forget, the virtual textbook check is due tomorrow. QR codes are posted around the school and in the Canvas announcements.
Speaking of books, Katy Nation, it is not too late to order your copy of the yearbook. The last day to order your yearbook this year is March 31st. The price is now $80. Go to balfour.com to order your yearbook today.
The Katy High Bowling Club completed the regular season with boys varsity team in first place in the district. The girls team and JV teams finished in second place in the district. Great job, bowlers. After spring break, they proceed to regional competition. Good luck.
There is a pop-up art exhibit on the main campus common stage and in the art pod. It will only stay on display until today, so check it out during lunch.
On Tuesday, the senior Old Spice volleyball team beat Pato. Today, they play at Morton Ranch. Good luck, seniors.
KBBC competed in the Miss Texas Dance Drill Team contest last weekend and crushed it. The officers were runner-up for Best in Class. The following officer groups won Super Sweepstakes, Best in Category, and the Judges Choreography Award. Officer Novelty was Cell Block Tango, Officer Modern with Lucky I Got What I Want, and Officer Modern with Good Luck. The small ensemble group of Bella Aguilar, Aaron King, Ariana McKendrick, and Carrie Jones took first place.
The team Lyrical, with their performance of Knocking on Heaven's Door, earned Super Sweepstakes, Best in Category, and Judges Choreography Award. The prop team earned highest scoring prop routine at contest with their performance of Sweet Caroline. In Team Palm, our Brigade girls won Best in Class team for their performance of Power. Both of these teams also received Super Sweepstakes, Best in Category, and Judges Choreography Award. Great job, KBBC. Now for sports.
The golf team is playing today at the Brenham Country Club. Tee-off was at 8 a.m.
The Lady Tiger soccer team swept the Maid Creek Rams this Tuesday. JVB won 5-0, JVA won 3-0, and varsity won 1-0. Last night, the boys varsity soccer team defeated Maid Creek 2-1. Tomorrow, soccer is playing against Morton Ranch. Girls are at home and boys are at Morton. Games start at 4:30, 5:45, and 7:30 p.m.
On Tuesday, varsity baseball started their season with a 10-0 win against May Creek. This weekend, varsity baseball is playing in the Langham Creek tournament. JV is playing in the Katy ISD tournament at home, and sophomore baseball is playing in the Stratford tournament. Good luck!
On Tuesday, softball defeated Cinco Ranch. Varsity won 4-3 in extra innings, and JV won 12-0. Tomorrow, the JV softball team is playing at Jordan High School at 4:30 p.m.
Today, the varsity track and field team is competing at the Bridgeland Relays at Bridgeland High School. Events start at noon.
The varsity wrestling team is hosting George Ranch and Seven Lakes today here at Katy High School. Matches start at 5:30 p.m. and tomorrow they are competing at College Park. On Saturday, the JV wrestling team takes on Klein High School at Klein.
That's all for today. Have a fun and safe spring break.